Good evening po sa inyong lahat, and shout out sa ating mga solid supporters at sa mga silent viewers. Ayan, shout out ko kayo guys. Shout out Shopin Horain Vlog and the International Tracker. Ayan, shout out sa iyo sir. Imi Cooker, ayan, shout out. Andy Alvar, ayan, shout out. And Binibining Hindi Marikit, ayan, shout out. Rodolph Oy Studio, ayan, shout out sir. Ati Ses Byudang Pinay in Bangladesh Vlog, ayan, shout out. Acoustic Guitar Music, ayan, shout out. And Mang Husis Vlog, ayan, shout out. Dong Vlog, shout out. And Katropang Gala Vlog, ayan, shout out. Filipina Music Lover, ayan, shout out. Raymond San Jose, ayan, shout out sir. Ding Channel, shout out Ding Channel. Aslin Lord TV, ayan, shout out. And Juan Beliroso Feeling Singer, ayan, shout out. Dini Akno, ayan, shout out. Isis Kitchen, ayan, shout out. Yaw Yahoo Largahi Record TV, ayan, shout out Sir Jan bro. And Pili Life in Lebanon, ayan, shout out. Down Musical Journey, ayan, shout out. Jumicel Vlog, shout out. Pinili Vlog, ayan, shout out sir. Irene the Dreamer, ayan, shout out. Rokua Onta TV, ayan, shout out. And Interactive Channel Music for You, ayan, shout out. Ellen PH Vlog, ayan, shout out sa iyo dyan kapatid. Yamski Vlog, ayan, shout out. Katya Midwife Pinay in Lebanon, ayan, shout out. And Andy Rabino TV Tech, ayan, shout out sir. Ito pa Marimar Frugal Tips, ayan, shout out. Jinlan TV, ayan, shout out sa iyo bro, Jinlan TV. And the Renas HD, ayan, shout out Renas HD. So yan lang ang comment sa ating pinanta na Silos, ayan, shout out sa inyong lahat yan. And shout out na rin sa ating FB page yan. Saglit guys, mayroon tayo ditong listahan. Shout out Gugu Santa Telen, Gugu Santa Telen, shout out. Ellen Arellano, yan. Yamyam Muhammad, Lorna Santa Angkeli, Bibilon Happy Acoustic, Miss Joy Donsky Im the Color, Piling Girang Alipin, Maricar Lasa, Beverly Muso Kapit, Joy German, and Coach Maribi Galigo, and Jing the Wife. So ayan guys, simulan na natin ang ating kanta. Another night slowly closes in, and I feel so lonely. Dancing heat pressing on my skin, I pretend you still hold me. I'm going crazy, I'm losing sleep. I'm in too far, I'm away too deep. Over you, I can't believe you're gone. You were the first to be the last. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I give it to you. Whenever you need someone to play you hard and keep the fight, remember after the fight, after all the rain. watching shadows move across the wall, and I feel so frightened. I wanna run to you, wanna go, that I've been hit by lightning. Just can't stand up for falling apart. Can't see through this ever across my heart. Over you, you will always be the one. You were the first to be the last. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Whenever you need someone to lay your heart on heaven, remember after the fire, after all the rain, I will be the flame. I will be the flame. I'm going crazy, I'm losing sleep. I'm in too far, I'm the way too deep. Over you, you will always be the one. You were the first to be the last. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Thank you guys, and don't forget to comment para ma-shoutout ko kayo sa aking next na kanta. Thank you sa inyong support guys sa akin. And God bless us all. Bye-bye. Don Badong Mix Love.